Discover BuildAScape, your go-to destination for top-notch stamped concrete in St. Joseph, Missouri. We blend style with durability to transform your outdoor spaces. About BuildAScape. At BuildAScape, we specialize in creating stunning, durable stamped concrete surfaces for your home or business in St. Joseph, Missouri. With years of experience and a commitment to quality, we ensure every project reflects our passion for craftsmanship. Our Stamped Concrete Services BuildAScape offers a range of services, including stamped concrete patios, driveways, and walkways, tailored to meet your specific needs and aesthetic preferences in St. Joseph, Missouri. Pricing and financing options. We provide competitive pricing and flexible financing options, making our stamped concrete services accessible to a wider range of customers in St. Joseph, Missouri. Quality materials and expert workmanship. BuildAScape uses only the highest quality materials for stamped concrete, ensuring durability and longevity. Our skilled team guarantees impeccable workmanship in every project. Industry certifications and endorsements. Our team at BuildAScape is certified and endorsed by leading industry authorities, setting us apart as a trusted provider of stamped concrete services in St. Joseph, Missouri. Serving St. Joseph, Missouri and surrounding areas, BuildAScape proudly serves St. Joseph, Missouri and its surrounding areas, ensuring that our top-quality stamped concrete services are available to a broad community. Exceptional customer service and warranty. We prioritize customer satisfaction, offering comprehensive warranties and responsive customer service to ensure peace of mind for our clients in St. Joseph, Missouri. Free estimates and prompt responses. At BuildAScape, we offer free estimates and guarantee same-day responses, demonstrating our commitment to customer convenience and service excellence. Our portfolio, a testament to quality. Explore our portfolio of completed stamped concrete projects to visualize the quality and creativity that BuildAScape brings to every job in St. Joseph, Missouri. Decades of experience in stamped concrete. With decades of experience in the industry, BuildAScape's background in stamped concrete is rich with innovation, skill, and customer satisfaction.